In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit product SKUs in Shopify. This is a very helpful method if you have a large collection of products and need to update them efficiently. With just a few clicks, you can ensure all your SKUs are accurately maintained across your product listings. So, let's get started. First, you want to begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on the Products tab. This section is your gateway to editing, managing, and organizing all of your existing products within Shopify. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're new to it, as it's a crucial part of managing your online store. As you click on Products, you will be taken to a list view of all the products you have currently added to your store. Now, you want to decide which products you need to edit. For this, you simply click on the checkboxes next to each product name. This selection process can save you a lot of time, especially if you're planning to make changes to multiple products. Take a second here to ensure you've selected every product you want to edit. This will allow you to make sure you're not missing any crucial updates. Once you've selected all the necessary products, look towards the top of this list. You'll see there's an option labeled Bulk Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This option is incredibly powerful because it converts your selected products into an editable table, allowing you to change multiple attributes of your products simultaneously. What you'll now see is a table that lays out each selected product's properties. It's a neat little feature that acts almost like a spreadsheet, providing an overview where you can manage various product details. To tailor this view specifically to include SKUs, find the Columns button situated towards the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button allows you to select which product attributes you want to edit. In our case, we'll be focusing on SKUs, so just enable the SKU column. You'll see the SKU column appear in your list of product properties, instantly making your edits a breeze. Now, you can easily click into each SKU field and make the necessary changes for each product. Enter the correct SKU for each product, double-checking as you go to ensure accuracy. Mistakes are easily made, but equally easy to catch at this stage. And just like that, you've successfully bulk edited product SKUs in Shopify. This simple process is not only a time saver, but also a great way to make sure your inventory remains accurate and well organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!